Monday mornings in the animal kingdom are a sight to behold. Just look at these creatures trying to shake off the sleep. You've got the sloths hanging upside down, barely keeping their eyes open, and the puppies fighting to stay awake, all while their little heads bob like they're in a dance-off with sleep. 5 more minutes, Mom, they plead, as if the world can wait for their adorable snooze fest. And then, there's the grand finale. Peaceful animals, sprawled out in the most ridiculous positions, completely zonked out. Sleep.exe activated successfully.